Benefits of remote training: cost efficiency. In traditional setup, conducting employee training sessions require an engaging and qualified speakers, which means additional cost to cover the professional fees. You also have to consider other factors such as meal and travel expenses, as well as printing fees. On top of these, you would take into account the loss output as you arrange the logistics required in conducting physical training. Remote training resolves this cost burden because you no longer have to splurge money to bring the speaker and the attendees in one place. You also get to save printing costs since the training material used for remote learning are stored on the cloud. If you need to update something, all you have to do is edit the file and notify the attendees about the changes. Flexibility. Let's admit it. Attending training, particularly those for compliance and regulatory requirement, can sometimes be a hassle, especially when work deadlines are approaching. With remote training, the employees get to decide when to start the lesson or the modules, depending on their schedules. The flexibility also contributes to the employee's productivity by making sure that learning takes place during the most convenient schedules and not at the expense of other equally important tasks at work. Personalized learning experiences. One of the major benefits of remote training is that it allows employees to learn at their own pace. Learners are also given the opportunity to tailor their learning curve based on their desired schedules on topics that they think are more relevant to their profession. Knowledge retention. All training materials used for remote training are stored on a centralized online database. This means learners can revisit these tools anytime should they need to review or clarify certain concepts that are not clear to them. Depending on the available resources, remote training also enables employees to access information using their desired formats such as audio, video, or a combination of both, thereby acknowledging employees' unique learning style. Having a centralized database of training material has also its significant merits. According to neuroscience studies, people tend to learn better using distributed practice, a method by which the learner consumes information over many but in spaced-out sessions. This is opposed to mass practice where the learner conducts fewer but longer study sessions. Employee motivation. Offering a variety of training opportunity to your employee makes them feel appreciated and wanted. According to a survey by human resource services provider ProSkype, potential for career growth and development was among the 5 things that millennials look for in a job. A 2019 report by professional networking site LinkedIn also found that 94% of its survey respondents said that they would stick with their companies longer if they were learning and development opportunities. Remote training can help your staff better understand their role in the company and let them know that there are opportunities for growth within their post, while making sure that their skills remain relevant and up to date.